Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your science sample paper with solutions.
Hello students, welcome back to NOF Science Champions League Class 1. In this session, we'll solve sample paper 4 together. Listen carefully and understand each explanation step by step. So, let's start with the question number 1. Question number 1. A butterfly flies, a leaf falls on the ground, and a stream flows. Which one is a living thing? A. Flying butterfly, B. Fallen leaf, C. Flowing stream, and D. All of these. The correct answer is option A. Why? Because a butterfly is a living thing because it can breathe, grow, and reproduce. Even though the leaf falls and stream flows, they are non-living. Movement alone does not mean living. Therefore, the flying butterfly is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 2. Sam left a toy car and a small seed outside in the garden. After a week, he noticed changes. A. The toy car moved to a new spot. B. The seed grew into a tiny plant. C. The toy car changed its color in the sun. And D. The seed remained the same size. The correct answer is option B. Why? Because seeds are living things and can grow into plants when they get water, air, and sunlight. A toy car is a non-living and cannot grow or change on its own. Therefore, the seed growing into a tiny plant shows life. Moving on to the next question. Question number 3. Which of the following can grow? A. A penguin, B. Balloons, C. A t-shirt, and D. A bicycle. The correct answer is option A. Animals are living thing and penguin is an animal. They grow with time. And balloons, clothes, and bicycles are non-living and do not grow. Growth is an important feature of living things. Hence, the penguin is the correct answer. The next question is question number 4. Which statement about living and non-living things is correct? A. All living things can make their own food. B. Non-living things can grow if we take care of them. C. Living things can move, grow, and reproduce. And D. Non-living things need air and water to survive. The correct answer is option C. Living things show features such as movement, growth, and reproduction. Non-living things do not grow or reproduce. Hence, option C is correctly describes living things, and the correct answer is option C. Our next question is question number 5. Which of these will happen if you place a seed? A. A tiny plant will grow. B. A toy car. C. Ants will eat the plant. And D. A car will be there. The correct answer is option A. Why? It will grow into a plant. When a seed is placed in soil and gets water, air, and sunlight, it starts growing. This shows that seeds are living things. Therefore, the seed growing into a tiny plant is the correct answer. So, option A is the correct answer. Question number 6. Why leaves are important for plants? A. Leaves make the plant look beautiful. B. Leaves are green because of soil color. C. Leaves prepare food for the plant using sunlight. And D. Leaves grow roots to absorb water. The correct answer is option C. Leaves prepare food for the plant using sunlight. Leaves make food for the plant using sunlight, air, and water. This process is called photosynthesis. Food helps the plant grow and survive. Hence, the correct answer is option C. Next question. Our next question is question number 7. Choose the correct feature of mine. So here we can see a tree. Option A says I can grow tall and strong. B. I grow in water only. C. I cannot stand without soil. And D. I make the biggest fruit. The correct answer is option A. Why? Because trees grow tall and strong and can stand firmly in soil. The other options do not collectively describe a tree. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Next question is question number 8. Choose the group of shrubs. A. Palm, rose and money plant. B. Jasmine, rose and hibiscus. C. Lily, lotus and jasmine. And D. Palm, coconut and banana. The correct answer is option B. Why? Because shrubs are medium-sized plants with bushy stems. Jasmine, rose and hibiscus are all shrubs. Hence option B is the correct group and the correct option. Our next question is question number 9. Identify the odd one out. A. Leaf makes food. B. Root absorbs water. C. Stem carries water and food. And D. Flower protects the plant from animals. The odd one out is option D. Leaves make food, root absorbs water, and stems carry water. But flowers do not protect plants from animal. Therefore, it is the odd one out and the correct option. Question number 10th. What would happen if the stem of a plant were cut off? A. The leaves would turn into roots. B. The plant would grow faster. C. Flowers would grow faster. And D. Water and nutrients would not reach the leaves. The correct answer is option D. The stem carries water and nutrients to the leaves. If the stem is cut, water cannot reach the leaves. Therefore, the plant will not survive properly because leaves make food for the plant. So the correct answer is option D. The next question is question number 11. A fish and frog both live in water, but frog is not an aquatic animal. Why? A. Fish needs fins to swim and frogs do not. B. Frog can breathe in water and on land. C. Frogs eat plants while fish eat insects. D. Frogs do not need water to survive. The correct answer is option B. Because frogs can live both on land and in water, so they are amphibians, not aquatic animals. Fish live in water only, therefore they are aquatic animals. So the correct answer is option B. Frog can breathe in water and on land. Moving on to the next question. There is question number 12. Match the animals with their characteristics. So column A says fish, lion and honeybee, and column B says live in forest, feed on nectar and lay eggs in water. So fish lay eggs in water, lion live in forest, and honeybee feed on nectar. So it's 1C, 2A and 3B. So here we can see in the options the correct answer is option D. 1C, that is fish lay eggs in water, 2A, that is lion live in forest, and 3B, that is honeybee feed on nectar. So the correct answer is option D. The next question is question number 13. Choose the odd one out based on the ability to fly. A. Carrot, B. Parrot, C. Pigeon, and D. Squirrel. The correct answer is option D. Why? Because crow, parrot and pigeon can fly. A squirrel cannot fly. It is an animal. Therefore, squirrel is the odd one out. Next question is question number 14. Choose the incorrect pair of animal and product. A. Cow provides milk. B. Hen provides egg. C. Goat provides meat. And D. Butterfly provides leather. The odd one out and incorrect pair is option D. Butterflies do not give leather. Leather comes from animal like cow and goats. Hence option D is the incorrect option and the correct answer. Question number 15. Which of these actions shows that animals help humans? A. A crow eats grain from the field. B. A tiger roars loudly in the jungle. C. A squirrel hides nuts in the ground. And D. A dog barks when it sees a stranger. The correct answer is option D. Why? Because dogs protect humans by barking when they see strangers. This helps keep people safe. Hence option D is the correct option. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 16. Which pair of activities best supports good hygiene? A. washing hands and brushing teeth. B. Watching TV and playing games. C. Eating fast food and skipping baths. D. Sleeping late and avoiding exercise. The correct answer is option A. Why? Because washing hands and brushing teeth removes germs and keep us clean. Good hygiene keep us healthy. Therefore, option A is the correct option. Washing hands and brushing teeth. Moving on to the next question. Question number 17. Select the pair that humans need for healthy life. A. Pizza and exercise. B. Sleep and clean water. C. Chocolates and juice. D. Ice cream and dustbin. The correct answer is option B. Sleep and clean water. Sleep gives rest and clean water keeps the body healthy. Both are essential for life. Hence option B is the correct option. Our next question is question number 18. Which item does not belong in a clean house? A. A basket full of fruits. B. A dustbin full of garbage. C. Bookshelf. And D. A plant. The correct answer is option B. Why? Because garbage on floor and litter on the floor makes the house dirty and unhealthy. Clean items help maintain hygiene. Therefore, option B is the correct answer and it does not belong in the house. It belongs outside the house. Question number 19. You see a person wearing a sweater and scarf. What season is it most likely to be? A. Summer, B. Monsoon, C. Autumn, or D. Winter. The correct answer is option D. Sweaters and scarves keep us warm. They are used during winter season. So the correct answer is option D. That is winter. Our next question is question number 20. Kabir spills juice on the floor while playing. What is the best way to ensure hygiene? A. Use a mop or cloth to clean it. B. Ask parents to clean it. C. Cover the juice with a mat. D. Leave the juice on the floor. The correct answer is option A. Cleaning the floor removes dirt and prevents accidents. It also keeps the house hygienic. Hence option E is the correct answer. You can use a mop or cloth to clean the juice which has spilled on the floor. Question number 21. Aryan always feels sleepy in the school and cannot focus. Which habit might he need to improve? A. Brushing teeth. B. Sleeping late. C. Eating more sweets. And D. Skipping breakfast. The correct answer is option B. Sleeping late causes tiredness and poor focus. Improving sleep habits help health. Therefore, option B is the correct option. He can improve sleeping late. He should sleep early. The next question is question number 22. Choose the activity that can cause accidents. A. We can see a boy removing something from a top container. And B. We can see students crossing a road from zebra crossing. C. We can see a boy riding a bicycle with proper headgears. And D. We can see some students waiting at the bus stop for the bus. So here, which activity can cause accidents? Option A. Why? Because it is dangerous. You should always ask for help of elders or your parents or someone else to take out the containers from the top shelf. The next question is question number 23. Whom should you tell if you are hurt? A. Teacher, B. Parents, C. Friends, and D. All of these. The correct answer is option D. Informing elders or trusted people helps get help quickly. So you can tell your teachers, either parents or friends, anyone if you are hurt. The next question is question number 24. I keep you safe in a moving car. Clip me on, it's not too far. Around your waist, I'll hold on tight. What am I? A. Seat belt, B. Cushion, C. Scarves, or D. Arms. The correct answer is option A, that is seat belt. A seat belt protects us from injury while traveling in a car, and it has a clip and it keeps us safe in a moving car. It also comes around our waist and it holds us tight. So it is a seat belt. Our next question is question number 25th. Which of these activity you do when you are sick? Option A, sneezing on someone. Option B, sneezing in a handkerchief. B, C, hugging someone. And D, sharing a lollipop with someone. The correct answer is option B, sneezing in a handkerchief. It is the correct way when you are sick. You should not sneeze on someone, you should not hug someone, and you should not share your food item with someone. You should always sneeze in a handkerchief. The next question is question number 26th. A fish dies on land. It breathes through dash in water. A, nose. B, lungs. C, gills. And D, fins. The correct answer is option C. Fish use gills to breathe in water. Hence option C is the correct option. Question number 27th. How can we use water wisely? A, close tap properly after use. B, keep water running while bathing. C, play with paper boats in water. And D, wash roads with water. The correct answer is option A, close tap properly after use. Closing the tap saves water, and water is precious and should not be waste. So you should always close the tap properly after use. And the correct answer is option A. Our next question is question number 28. Identify the one that needs air. A, fish. B, car. C, toy. And D, book. The correct answer is option A. Fish are living things and need oxygen from air dissolved in water, and car, toy and book are non-living things and that do not need air, and fish is a living thing. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 29th. Choose the correct match. A, drying from water. B, bathing from air. C, swimming in water. And D, drinking air. The correct match is option C. Why? Because swimming needs water and other pairs are incorrect. For drying we need air, for bathing we need water, and for drinking we need water, and these all are incorrect. This incorrect, and this is also incorrect. The correct option is option C. Swimming we need water. Our next question is question number 30. What helps a kite fly higher? A, air push kite higher. B, only small kite flies higher. C, only birds can fly higher. And D, a long thread takes a kite higher. The correct answer is option A, air push the kite higher. Air pushes the kite and helps it fly. Without air, a kite cannot move. Hence option A is the correct answer. Question number 31. Winter is too cold as summer is too dash. A, rain. B, snow. C, hot. Or D, wind. The correct answer is option C. Winter we feel cold and in summer we feel hot. So the correct answer is option C, that is hot. Our next question is question number 32. Which weather and activity pair is incorrect? A, wind to flying a kite. B, rain to playing in puddles. And C, snow, building a snowman. And D, sunny to making a snowman. The incorrect pair is option D. Why? Because snowmen are made with snow, not in sunny weather. In sunny weather there is no snow. So how can you make a snowman? So this is the incorrect pair. So option D is the correct option. Question number 33. What would you wear if it is snowing outside? A, raincoat. B, woolen coat. C, cotton shirt. And D, hat. The correct answer is option B, that is woolen coat. Woolen coats keep the body warm during snow. So you can wear a woolen coat if it is snowing outside. So the correct answer is option B. Our next question is question number 34th. Which of the following shows autumn season? A, falling leaves. B, rain. and you are wearing a raincoat. C. Sharing ice cream with your friends. And D. Making snowman. So, autumn season is marked by falling leaves. So, the correct answer is option A. We can clearly see falling leaves here. Our next question is question number 35th. Match the weather with the correct activity. So here we can see an umbrella and rain coming from upwards. So it is a rainy season. So what we do in rainy season? Do we fly kite? No. Do we play with boats and water? Yes. Do we eat ice cream? No. Do we make snowmans? No. So the correct answer is option B. We play with boats and water puddles. Our next question is question number 36. You see a small insect with colorful wings flying near flowers. What could it be? A. Honeybee. B. Grasshopper. C. Butterfly. And D. Cockroach. The correct answer is option C. Butterflies have colorful wings and fly near flowers. So the correct answer is option C, that is butterfly. Next question is question number 37. Manav's shoes are muddy after a rainy day. What should he do to keep his house clean? A. Walk inside with muddy shoes. B. Clean his shoes before entering. C. Leave his shoes outside without cleaning. And D. Throw the shoes away. The correct answer is option B. Clean his shoes before entering. Cleaning shoes keep the house clean and hygienic. Hence option B is the correct option. Our next question is question number 38. At night, you see a bright round shape in the sky. It is dash. So here is a photo. Option A says star. Option B says sun. Option C says bulb. And option D says moon. So we can see in the image, this is moon. So the correct answer is option D. The moon appears bright and round at night. Hence option D is the correct option. The next question is question number 39. A bird builds a nest on a tree to dash. A. Lay eggs. B. Bath. C. Fly. Or D. Sing. The correct answer is option A. Birds build nests to lay eggs and keep their young ones safe. So the correct option is option A. Our last question is question number 40. Amit feels very thirsty on a hot day. Which drink will make him feel better? A. Tea. B. Soda. C. Hot coffee. Or D. Lemonade. The correct answer is option D. Lemonade cools the body and prevents dehydration. Therefore, if he is feeling thirsty on a hot day, he can drink a lemonade. And the correct answer is option D. So students, great job. You have completed sample paper 4 successfully, and keep practicing and stay confident for the exams, and all the best.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.